What's up, YouTube? I'm Big Man Spud. Welcome. As you've seen, I've been reviewing Starkist. I got the Starkist Creations Microwaveables, Tuna, Latin Cordis, Wild Tuna. I'm not sure how you say that one, but that's everything in it. But you got a lot of, you got white beans, jalapeno lime juice, so I can't really say that one, cilantro and veggies. But anyways, you can tell from the package what's in it. It says you can microwave the pouch, or it says you can eat it unheated. Okay, here we go. This is one I got it at KJ's. And I can just smell it from this distance. It smells good too. Let me store it up and let y'all see it. And that's how I'm going to eat it, unheated. There y'all go. Okay, time to try some. That's pretty delicious. Ooh, I love that one. Lime quarters tuna. I gotta say, that is darn delish. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm Big Man Spud.